How chat is changing the way we communicate. Chatbots have been around for a while, but they've recently gained immense popularity due to the advancements in artificial intelligence. Chat is leading the charge in this field, helping to revolutionize the way that people communicate. Chat provides a platform for companies to develop their own custom AI-powered chatbots, enabling their customers to get quick and easy answers to their questions anytime, anywhere. Chat is revolutionizing customer service by providing a more personal, contextual, and automated experience. By leveraging natural language processing, machine learning, and AI, chatbot technology makes it easier for people to communicate and get the information they need. As chat continues to evolve, it will open up new possibilities for how we communicate with each other and interact with technology. What are chatbots? Chatbots are computer programs that engage in conversation with humans via internet channels. When a person engages with a chatbot on a messaging app, the chatbot often attempts to emulate how a human would respond to certain questions. Chatbots can be used to automate certain processes, provide customer service, or perform a wide range of other tasks. Chatbots can join a group, add another member, or start a group conversation. They can also respond to specific questions by users, like "What's the weather like tomorrow?" or "How old is the Eiffel Tower?" AI and machine learning are creating opportunities for businesses to reach customers in new ways. With the right technology and strategy, companies can create experiences that feel more personal, allowing them to build stronger long-term relationships. Chatbots are also helping businesses increase their productivity. With the right chatbot, a company can automate many tasks that used to be handled manually, freeing up resources to focus on more complex work. Chatbots are also being used to help solve some of the world's biggest issues, from climate change to the opioid epidemic. How chat is changing the way we communicate. The world is becoming increasingly mobile, with the majority of the world's population owning a smartphone. With more people accessing the internet on mobile than on traditional computers, chatbots are especially useful for communication on mobile devices. They are also accessible on a wide variety of platforms, making them accessible to customers no matter where they are accessing the internet. Using natural language processing and machine learning, chatbot technology makes it easier for people to communicate and get the information they need. As chat continues to evolve, it will open up new possibilities for how we communicate with each other and interact with technology. Please subscribe to my channel and must visit our blog website www.wholeinformation.com. Our channel will provide you with the latest tips, tricks, and news related to IT that you won't find anywhere else. So, don't forget to subscribe and keep visiting us for all the latest updates.